Once you initiate a registration process, you will see a form with multiple tabs. Use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate through the form. On the Start tab, select the school year. For elementary students starting in September, you will choose the next year, in this case, 2024-2025. For Student Information tab, enter the legal name. Preferred name will automatically fill with the legal name but can be changed if necessary. Fill in all required fields as indicated by a red asterisk. On the School Information tab, please choose your catchment school. Check the Langley School District website for catchment boundaries. Choosing the wrong school may delay the registration process. If a school is not on the list, it is not currently accepting online registrations. The Family Contacts tab allows you to enter associated contacts. The person filling out this form will be the primary contact. Fill in the relationship for this person and any other pertinent information. Add other contacts and any siblings in the Langley School District. Next is the Additional Information tab. The top section is School History, which may not apply to kindergarten students. For those, choose No Previous School. Other elementary students who have attended in BC or Yukon need to fill in their previous school. The Medical Information section is for any medical conditions that the school should be aware of. The Student Services information can help the school prepare for any students that will benefit from additional support. The final section contains required fields for languages spoken. The Documents tab allows you to upload all required supporting documents. This form is used across BC and the list of documents may not match Langley requirements. You must go to sd35.bc.ca registrations page for a current list of documents required by Langley. Incorrect or incomplete documents will delay the application process. All uploaded documents will be deleted from the site within 24 hours of acceptance of the registration. The Submit tab is a place for any notes to the registrar that may help process the registration form accurately. Choose Save and Close if you want to come back to the form for corrections or to add information or documents. Once you choose Submit, the form is stamped with the date and time and becomes accessible to the school registrar. It is no longer editable by the parent. You may print a copy of the form you submitted, either now upon submission or later on the main page of the Parent MyEd portal.